watching the Press Review. I'm Thomas Taplin. Business in India is likely to take a massive hit after the country raises its key interest rate, taking markets by surprise. Well, it comes as the Reserve Bank of India cites concern over the threat of rocketing inflation and slowing growth in the country, and in turn has raised the rate by 25 basis points to 7.50%. Groups who represent business and investment interests in India, such as the Confederation of Indian Industry, will be left confused as to why the RBI would hike rates when they called for the opposite, asking for them to be cut. Some economists believe this could also mark the start of many more cuts to come, with one economist at ICICI Securities in Mumbai saying, "It looks as if there will now be more rate increases because inflation expectations are still very high, so there is no other way out of this than to keep moving rates upwards." The threat of inflation is mostly coming from high food prices and Delhi's challenging policy of trying to give a subsidised rate to nearly 2/3 of the country's 1.2 billion population. In turn, it's pushed wholesale price inflation up to 6.1% in August, something the RBI says is now much higher than was initially forecast for the rest of the year. However, in an attempt to ease pressure on the economy from a rate hike and help secure India's currency, the rupee, from the rippling effects caused by investors withdrawing cash from emerging market countries, the new RBI Governor Raghuram Rajan is spearheading a loosening of existing monetary tightening measures aimed at avoiding heavy volatility in the exchange market. India is the third largest economy in Asia, but it only grew 4.4% in the last quarter, making it the smallest movement the country's experienced in over 3 years. With CPI figures remaining high over previous years, India cannot simply rely on its massive agricultural sector for sustainability and growth. That's according to the RBI. Well, plenty of work still left to do there for the new governor of the RBI. That's it from today's Press Review. Don't forget to check out all our other interviews on Dukascopy TV by clicking back, including the weekly wrap-up where we take a look back at the week's main events. I'll see you on Monday. Have a great weekend.